Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents how to lower blood pressure fast without the use of any medications. High blood pressure, hypertension, is a common cardiovascular problem that affects a great number of people. Actually, hypertension happens when the blood pressure is 140/90 mmHg. If not treated on time, this problem can cause other cardiovascular problems. So to save your health and body, you should treat this problem on time. In the beginning, hypertension doesn't manifest through any specific symptoms. The symptoms usually come too late when the damage is done. Leaving it untreated for a longer period can lead to diabetes, heart attack, stroke, and even kidney failure, which can have catastrophic consequences. Even though doctors will prescribe you drugs to treat your high blood pressure, most of them usually come with side effects which can lead to further complications. Fortunately, by making a few lifestyle changes and using natural remedies, you can easily treat and prevent this disease. For that purpose, I have a few natural remedies which can effectively reduce your risk of high blood pressure and cardiovascular diseases. So let's start. Please subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end to get full information. Lemon water. Needed ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 glass water. Directions: in a glass of water, squeeze the lemon. Drink the mixture every morning before breakfast. Lemons have the ability to keep your blood pressure in check and improve the flexibility of your arteries, which in turn lowers your blood pressure. Garlic. For many years, garlic has been used as a traditional remedy for treating cardiovascular problems. It is packed with diallyl trisulfide, a compound which can lower the pressure on the arterial walls and eliminate the fat and cholesterol from your blood. Also, it can regulate your blood pressure and boost the production of nitric oxide in the blood. To obtain these benefits, just eat a few garlic cloves every day. According to the experts, you should consume the garlic raw. Crush a few cloves and leave them for 15 minutes. Then you can consume them. Baking soda and apple cider vinegar. Needed ingredients: apple cider vinegar, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, water. Directions: apple cider vinegar contains beneficial nutrients such as potassium, calcium, and magnesium, all of which are very important for your blood pressure and arteries. They can improve your blood flow and reduce your blood pressure, thus prevent many cardiovascular problems. Just mix the ingredients well and consume this mixture every day. In this way, you will lower your high blood pressure. Do give it a try and share your experience in the comments section below. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.